Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today our Salesforce topic is how we can assign manager to a user in Salesforce. And more importantly, what actually happens if you don't assign any manager for an user. Because this small field can affect a lot of things in the background. So let it break down. Okay, first we need to focus on what is manager field in Salesforce. The manager field in a user record tells Salesforce to who is the reporting person. In a company, all the employees have their own manager or their own reporting manager, right? That we call it as managers. But in behind the scenes, this is used in multiple places. So this is the manager field in Salesforce. Then how we can assign manager to a particular user? So first we need to click on gear icon, go to setup. You need to search users. So currently I will open list of users. In this, I need to select which user I need to assign the manager. Currently, I will open on sales executive user. If you scroll below, you can see there is a one manager field. So currently it is in empty. So I need to assign one manager for this particular user. So we can, so just click on edit button. Then scroll below. Go to manager field. Click on this icon. In here, you can see the list of users. So in this list of users, you can add anyone or you can assign anyone. So currently I will assign Basuraju HS as the manager. Then click on save. Now we are assigned the manager for this user and save it. That's it. Now you know how we can assign the manager for a user. Up to that, we are done. Now, the important part is what happens if you don't assign manager. Okay, this is where most people ignore things. Let's see what problem can happen if you don't assign any manager for the user. The first main problem is sometimes approval process may fail. If you don't have a manager, approval process will get failed. Let's say you created an approval process like send approval to manager. Now, if the user doesn't have the manager, approval may fail or get stuck. So this is the main bigger issue. So then second thing is automation. Sometimes flows and workflows are not working properly. If you use the automation like and inside that you say assign task to manager. If manager is empty, task won't be assigned. Flow may be break or skip. So the third thing is reports and hierarchy becomes incomplete. When you build reports like users by manager, team performance under manager, if manager field is empty, that user won't appear correctly. Report looks incomplete or wrong data. And also email alerts also get failed. If you configure something like send email to manager, if the user doesn't have any manager assigned, no email sent, communication gap will be occur. If the manager is not assigned, role hierarchy get disturbed, difficult for admins to manage users. Everything become messy. So when is the manager field actually used? Let's quickly summarize where we actually use the manager field. Mainly used in approval process, flows and automations, report and dashboards, email alerts, hierarchy based logics. Like me and my subordinates only can see the records. In that time, we will go with manager field. So in real-time examples, let's say a sales executive user is there, but any manager is not assigned. But what he did, like he submitted a discount request for manager. The request approval only by the manager. So in that time, system should send it to manager, but manager field is empty. So in that time, approval get failed, process stops, business get delayed. All because of only one small field. Here, what I recommended, always assign manager for every user. Check this while creating new user. So yeah, this is how we can assign a manager. Looks like a small step, but it is a big impact on approval, automation and reporting. So don't ignore it. So I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.